what I'm going to do this morning, as you can see, I'm in my bathroom, is today I plan on doing an ombre color in my hair. Okay, so what I want to do is color my roots a dark brown. Okay, now this is an advanced gray solution. It's to help with the gray. It's a rich dark brown, and semi-permanent color. Okay, I asked him for a permanent color. He gave me semi-permanent. Alright, so what I'm going to need today is my hair color, my dark brown, and this is from Clairol. I'm also going to try to touch up my cherry red color since I'm doing color today. And I'm also in need of my rubber bands. Alright, I even have a tie band, which I don't know if I'll need, but we'll see. So what I'm going to start off doing is separating my hair into sections. And I'll probably do like 4 sections. So I'm just going to separate and braid my hair into sections. Alright, so now I'm just going to take my little rubber band and secure it at the end just to keep it together. Okay. And what I'll try to do is lift up my braid a little bit so it's not down, it's actually sticking out. Alright y'all, so now I'm going to start using my petroleum jelly for around my edges. Okay, now it's time for me to go in with my gloves. Now with this, you're going to probably need 2 sets of gloves, because when you transfer colors, okay? So what I'm going to do is mix this up really well. And I'm going to start off by doing my roots first. And basically I'm just going to do the root area because that's the darkest area. I'm just going to get all my new growth, get those nice and dark, because a lot of grays is trying to settle in, so I'm going to get rid of those grays. So I have the brown resting in my hair all throughout my roots. And now I'm going to put my cherry bomb color. Gotta mix it up good though. And now I'm just going to do my cherry bomb along my shaft area. And I'm just going to work it on both sides of my locks going down. Now listen, you guys, this is not the conventional way of dyeing your hair. This is my little lazy way of getting it done. Okay, so I'll be right back after I finish. All right, y'all, so I'm getting it done. So right now I'm just gonna touch up my hair and make sure that all the color is well blended and distributed throughout my hair. So let me just finish up getting this throughout my hair and I will be right back. All right, y'all, so everything is well distributed. And the whole idea is to keep my burgundy off my brown, okay? So I'm going to tie this down now. Okay, and 45 minutes later, I'm going to wash this out. So I will be back. All right, you guys, I am back. And I tell you, I'm so pleased with the results. As you can see, my roots are black. Not used to the black hair, but my roots are dark. They're brown color, which is my natural color, like a dark brown. Okay, and I like it, okay? All of those pesky doggone intruders, they're no longer around, okay? So I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I know I wanna set it in curls, so I will probably try and do a curly style and keep it in for a couple of days. So I need a retwist. I want to retwist my hair and then curl it. Yeah. Alright. So I love it. Oh my God. I think this is what I may need to do from now on, just to get rid of all of the grays from this point on. So yeah, this really came out really nice. The ombre color. Yeah, you see this little baby right here sticking out? I gotta put a lock on that. But yes, I like it. Now my hair is still wet, so it looks very dark, but you'll see exactly what it looks like, I guess, once it's styled. But so far, I like the outcome. I really do. And of course, you can see, no matter what I do, this Vivica Fox crap still don't take no color. Yeah. All right, y'all, so thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful tutorial of how to do an ombre color on your color treated hair. And yes, so far your girl is now two-toned, okay? But I don't mind. And thank you so much. If you have any questions, list them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Check out my other channel, Velvet Locks, where if you want anything healthy, learn how to lose weight and detox your body, that channel is for you. All right? And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button. And also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.